How are we stopping it?
Nope, we haven't got that far yet. Car's coming. We're getting up. Great. All right, we're good. Crank that bitch. Bring her back. We use jack foot what we want now.
Put in gear. What's up, guys? It's Jay from PC Motorsports. Today's what, day 5? Day 5. We're moving the truck into the garage.
Next to Project Confused.
Next to Project Confused, HSK. So we'll show you a little bit of footage of that, and probably see about pulling the engine and trans today. But we'll keep you updated, let you know.
Sitting like a boss, bring the workers out. Press on the exhaust, we be skirting now. No, we not the same, what you talking about? Got me all up in your mentions, musta heard around. How that sound, yeah that sound good, tell them break it down. ISO Wendy's in your town, don't forget the dollar sign. How that sound, yeah that sound good, tell them get in line. Hold it down, came up from the underground. How that sound, yeah that sound good. Sounds good, how that sound, yeah that sound good. Sounds good, how that sound, yeah that sound good. Sounds good, how that sound, yeah that sound good. Sounds good. It's in the picture, let me crop them out. They told us trust the process, we ain't stopping now. They know that it's a scene when we popping out. We came up from the dirt, yeah we popping out. It's our yeah, we finna lock it down. We the top boys in your city when we come around. ISO no POP, tell them hold it down. We been dropping every month, we ain't slowing down, nah. Ayy, sitting like a boss, bring the workers out. Press on the exhaust, we be skirting now. No, we not the same, what you talking about? Got me all up in your mentions, musta heard around. How that sound, yeah that sound good, tell them break it down. ISO Wendy's in your town, don't forget the dollar sign. How that sound, yeah that sound good, tell them get in line. Hold it down, came up from the underground. Ayy, tried to play me back then, but you learning now. Do not play with fire, you be burning out. It's like butter, baby butter when I churn it out. They gon' talk behind your back until you turn around. 360, I'm on preheat, I be baking all the good. Chef Curry hit my shimmy, throw it up at half court. Tryna beat me, bet you can't, you would do it if you could. ISO to the indies, now you got it understood. Yeah, sitting like a boss, bring the workers out. Press on the exhaust, we be skirting now. No, we not the same, what you talking about? Got me all up in your mentions, musta heard around. How that sound, yeah that sound good, tell them break it down. ISO Wendy's in your town, don't forget the dollar sign. How that sound, yeah that sound good, tell them get in line. Hold it down, came up from the underground. How that sound, yeah that sound good. Sounds good, how that sound, yeah that sound good. Sounds good, how that sound, yeah that sound good. Sounds good, how that sound, yeah that sound good. Sounds good.
All right, pull her out like a bad mix. Ready? Yep. Move that wrench, bro. And the ratchet. Not sure why you brought an engine stand. You want a tire? Yeah, we're going to drop the fucking tranny.
Okay. Do good, do great, and they talk bad on you. No need, no face, cause they're not factual. I won't stay too long here, I'm just passing through. I might hit the bank and get a bag or two. My mama asked me why you got that cash on you. Second you switch up, they might get mad at you. No, you're not my friend, so no, I'm taxing you. You're all like my sons, I'm going dad on you. Okay, good job, good job. Get mine, no prob. Hit my line, you're irking me. I hit that woosah. No, I don't got perks on me. I sleep good on God. Spend that money, make it reappear. Ta-da. I've been getting paid. I've been eating good. I've been putting on some weight. If I got a problem, I just call my brother babe. This is like a warning shot to get up out my face. This is like a warning shot to get up out my way. This is like a warning shot to get up out my lane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the 7. My girl said I'm a dog, but all dogs go to heaven. Thank the Lord when I wake. I've been sleeping like a baby, cause I know my paper straight. Another day to the grave. I get it cause I got to. I got kids, I need to bang. Thank the Lord when I wake. I've been sleeping like a baby, cause I know my paper straight. Another day to the grave. I get it cause I got to. I got kids, I need to bang. I've been getting paid. I've been eating good. I've been putting on some weight. If I got a problem, I just call my brother babe. This is like a warning shot to get up out my face. This is like a warning shot to get up out my way. This is like a warning shot to get up out my lane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the 7. My girl said I'm a dog, but all dogs go to heaven.
Alright boys, Corey's been doing all the work today, but got the tranny off the engine. Gonna put the engine on the engine stand, put the flywheel clutch back on the tranny, and sell the tranny, and we'll see what we're gonna do with this. Might be for another project, I don't know, but that's where we're at. So I'm over there scraping the transmission, trying to get a little bit cleaner. Corey's taking out the drive shaft, pulling lines, trying to get the frame kind of cleaned up.
Big vibes. Look, I'm about my pledge. I'm decked up on blue bills, and I won't stop until the cash pit look like fall leaves in the backfield. Tell her out of my face if she coming with that bull. Quit to say my piece, I'm so after school special. She brainy, but them jeans looking like paint. I gotta bless her. Niggas talk a whole lot, knowing damn well they really can't press us. I notated on leaflet. I'm really up a few levels with it. Like way off the way from them. Can't see me, you can't meddle with us. E&J in my Earl Grey hood bunched up with the cheese eggs and a dumb face. No stunner shade, still turned up. Been had it poppin' in broad day, that's Avi. Flower child from the sun rays, but I run fade, got a punch drunk. My providence, they don't love us, they rather treat us like an animal. They wonder why we on 8. Escaping shit, I'm off the cannabis. Middle fingers in tandem, going tantrum. Yelling swell with a big smile, young phantom. Hi mom, I'm on camera. Coming live from the mud pit, we don't take post beef for granted. I plan to keep it stress-free, live and die young, I leave it on the canvases. Split up some with my better half, trade day like it's a holiday. My shit on dumb flame till the wheels kill, I'm on road rage. Yeah. On dumb flame till the wheels fall, I'm on road rage. I've been on a run, my third eye open. Been trying to kill emotion. Life in the slums. I've been on a run, my third eye open. Yeah. Ay, fuck the ceiling. I've been living out the moon roof with it. I'm in tune with my senses, kill the tune with my sentence every time. Yeah, I've been in the mood, got a feeling. What we doing, got a fuming, they ain't used to it. Rely me to the pledge when I said it, no caps, and I'm body till I see black. And I still ride for it on a couple flats. I've been down bad and bounce back. Been slave to a 9 to 5, now we booming, no stopping the digital trap.
Been slave to a 9 to 5, now we booming, no stopping the digital trap.
I've been on a run, my third eye open. Been trying to kill emotion, yeah. Life in the slums. My third eye open.
All right, we're closing up shop for the night, getting everything tucked away so the expedition can come in. Like, comment, subscribe, keep following the build, share as much as possible. Help us get our names out there and get this build, you know, out to as many people as possible. It's gonna be pretty cool. God bless. See you later.